Sign-up forms allow your website visitors to subscribe to your newsletters and receive regular updates and information from you. You can create sign-up forms under Forms, Forms Beta. Use the orange button at the top right to create a new form. Let's take a look at the options available under Subscription. At the beginning, you can choose if you want to insert the form as a link into a landing page, or if you want to embed it as source code into your website. Select the first one, Own Page, Landing Page. Use the input field to ask for the first names of your subscribers, for example. You can also decide whether this should be a mandatory field and in which field this information should be saved. Use the checkbox to give customers the opportunity to select the right answer from various options. Further down, you specify whether this information is saved as a tag or in a field. The drop-down option is similar. This also allows your customers to click on the right answer. Insert the options on the right. You can use standard elements to add further text and images to the form in order to provide additional information. Under Design, you define the layout of the form. Next, you can change the name of the form. The link can be copied and pasted into your website. Below, you can change the information texts and the two emails. Click on Edit to open the email and change the text. You can also enter a tag, which is set when a subscription has been completed. This allows you to create an automated welcome campaign. If you select Embedded on Page at the very beginning, you will receive a source code in the overview instead of the link. You can insert this into your website and adjust it there. Check out our Help Center for more information.